The 2002 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, driver airbag, front air conditioning, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, rear window defrost, bed liner. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.